Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Nikita from BISP Solution. In this session, we are going to see how we can create the spot bonus plan in the compensation module. So let's just move on to the application and see how we can perform this task. Here, log in as a HR specialist, and then what we have to do, we have to go to the My Client Group option and then go to the compensation option. And then we have to go to the individual compensation option, individual compensation plan here. Just click on it. And for creating the new, you have to just click on this arrow and click on the create option. And for the existing one, you can just search by the name here in the search box. So I'm going to create the new one here. And here I have to give the name for this individual compensation plan. For example, it says spot bonus. And then we have to go to the option tab. And here we have to click on the create option. Yes. And here we have to fill the details like the option name, for example, fusion spot bonus. Then we have to associate the payroll element with this option. And then we have to just click on the save and close option. And for adding the payment start date, we have to click on the dates tab here. And here we have to select the start or submission date. And for this, you have to select the start or submission date to use the start date of the action, and if selected, or the action submission date here. And there is a another option you can see here. For the last compensation, we select the user choose date. Now we're selecting here the start or submission date. And then we have to go to the eligibility option here. Here we have to add the eligibility. So I'm going to go to the add icon here. And here I'm going to add Fusion FTE full here. And I'm going to select the required, and then I'm going to click on the save and close. And then we move on to our next option, which is a plan access. So here we have to change the restrict plan access into yes. And then in the action field, we have to select the employee work relationship. Let's again click on the add and go to the search box again. And here we are going to select the manage individual compensation. And then what we have to do next, we have to add the instructions, right? So we have to go to the plan info. So let's just move on to the plan info option here. And here in the default visibility option, we have to select the people see after selecting a plan option here. Then we have to fill the text here. For example, let's enter an amount, no greater uh, than 10,000. And then we have to go to this, click on the save and close option. So this is how we can create the spot bonus plan. And here you can see the spot bonus plan we just created. So I hope this method is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching the video.